everyone, I'm Saloni and I'm a technical consultant here at GlideFast. In today's video, I'll be covering new features released in Vancouver around the UI Builder. First of all, I absolutely love the new features and I'm excited to show you all. Alright, let's dive right in. I'm going to navigate to the UI Builder and select Service Operations Workspace. I created a copy of the landing page. I'm gonna open that. All right, I'm gonna try add the component by clicking on this add component. And I do have an option to select layout before I even go ahead and add the components, which is really cool because I remember in previous releases, I have had hard time figuring out how to do the layout in my pages. So I'll go ahead and click on two columns. And I see that two columns were added and I can directly go in and add the components. On the left-hand side, two columns were added and we can easily add components by clicking on this link. I'll click on the plus icon here and select data visualization. And I'll click again and you can add any component you like. But for this demo, I'll just add list simple. You can go ahead and configure this component on the right-hand side. You can style your component, you can add the events. Once you are done configuring your components, you can preview to see how it is gonna look on your workspace before even saving your page. If I go ahead and click on preview, it will open up this page for me and I can see how it is going to look on the workspace. If I feel like this is not gonna look okay, I can go back. I can work on these components again and click on preview. But let's say I have to start from scratch because this is not gonna work out. I can just simply undo it and go back to where I was initially. For example, I undo something that I didn't mean to. I can click on this arrow to redo or to bring back my work. So here you go. When I click on this arrow, it brought everything back. So those are the new couple features on the UI Builder. Another feature is, I'll go back to the Service Operations workspace. I'll click on the list and go to the changes and create new. So on this page, what I configured is, whenever I click on this card, it will give me this little pop-up, just like a tooltip. It guides me on what to do next. It simply says, click next to continue. These pop-ups are gonna be really useful to guide the users on what to do next. You can use it so many places on the workspace. So how to configure these pop-ups? If we go back to UI Builder, let's first of all undo our work. And just for an example, we wanna add a pop-up whenever someone clicks on the donut. So I'll click on the donut here. I'll go to events and I'll add an event handler. Click open pop over. You can create a new popover or you can choose an existing. If you already have an existing popovers, you can just go ahead and select and click add and it will go ahead and add the popover for you. So I already added this popover. If we go back to our service operations workspace, click on home. If I click anywhere on this donut, it should give me the pop-up. It says help text. So another example on how you can use this popover. Hopefully this video was useful and you also found these new features as cool as I did. Thank you.